Best EA for $2,000 account or best EA for small accounts. So hello friends and welcome to this video in which we will talk about is EA really dependent on balance, or is the EA really dependent on the account size or lot size, or how should you approach it? So if you're searching for best EA for a $2,000 account or $1,000 account or $500 account or $10,000 account, is this a real question you should be asking, or you should be asking that if the EA will work on any budget, you know? Because I think you're asking the wrong question. It's not about if you have 2,500 or 10,000. It's about, is it the right settings inside the EA or in your mind, which you are going to give to the EA so that it can work accordingly, okay? So as per me, I think it's the lot size which matters. And we'll talk about a lot of things in this video, and then you will come and watch this video on this website which you see on a screen. It says the most important video you will ever see in forex trading, which is absolutely true. And watch the full breakdown till the end. So you have to watch this video by coming to this website, and then only you will know how you can use this EA, okay? So in this video, you will see the results of last 5 years. And to get to this website, you have to go below my video and then click the first link below here, which says swing trading on automation. Okay, so you can click on the first link, come to this page, enter your email, and then you will be on this website. Play this video then and watch it till the end to know what is happening. And I'll explain a little bit in this video as well, okay? And also you can join Telegram if you want, and then check out the brokers in the profile. Make sure you sign up with these brokers, because if you do not have a trusted broker, then don't waste your time in trading or something else, because if you're not going to get your profits, then what's the point of wasting your time and investing your money, okay? So always use reliable brokers. These ones I can recommend, so you can check them out. Telegram is right there. And then the first one will click on the first one, and that will take you to this page, okay? So getting back to the topic, best EA for small accounts, or let's say for $2,000 account. The question here is not the money, not the balance you start with. It's the settings of that EA, okay? So, for example, if some EA is designed in a way that it will not take trades if your account balance is less than 500, then there's no point, okay? So for example, this EA which I am talking about, it's my own EA called TubeFX EA, okay? I am the developer of this EA. I am the manufacturer. I am the creator. I have done it, so I know the strategy which is coded into this EA. In short and simple language, you can understand that it's my human brain which I have transferred into this robot, and this robot, or rather my brain, is going to work on your chart in the form of this robot, okay? So this is my own EA, TubeFX EA, and this is based on daily swing trading, okay? So if you are just a naive who is trying to do some quick money making money machine system, you're trying to find out, it doesn't work like that, okay? So if you are doing 15 minutes chart, 1 hour chart, you might be making money for a few days, and then it will lose all of the money in the next few days, okay? So don't risk it. All pro traders will only talk about trading daily chart. That is the most consistent for for long term traders, okay? The higher the time frame is good for your profits, and higher means you can't go for weekly and monthly as well, okay? Because you will never have the budget to have the account size to survive such as stop losses for weekly and monthly. So the medium, in between, you don't even have to go for very short, or you don't have to go for very higher time frame, but in between, daily chart is the sweetest time frame you can go for, okay? You go and do your own research. All pro traders will only talk about trading daily chart. I'm not the first one. I'm not the last one, okay? So if your balance is, let's say, $2,000, $1,000, can you use this EA? Absolutely, you can. The only it's a simple mathematics, okay? Less account size, less profits. More account size or big account size, big profits, okay? So it all depends that what will be your capital amount, and then depending on that, you will have to adjust your lot size, okay? I'm just giving an example only. So let's say you are using a $10,000 account, and for $10,000 account, you are going to use a lot size of 1.0. Similarly, if you have a, let's say an account of $2,000, then you can only use a maximum lot size of 0.2. Okay, and less money, less lot size. So it all it's up to you that how much money can you really invest as a capital amount to start trading, and then you can adjust those settings inside the EA. And if you go and check out this video, in this video we have done the back testing for last 5 years for all the major pairs, and we are giving you the most profitable pairs for 5 years. Okay, so go and check this video, and after that, if you decide to get this EA, then I will be, or you will be, working with me directly over the chat, or in the email. You can ask your questions in the email or over the chat. And if you get this EA, I will help you with every step to get you live with this EA. Okay, I'll tell you what lot size you can maximum use depending on your capital amount. Okay, so for example, let's say you say, okay, TubeCore, I want to go with $5,000. Okay, I will buy your EA, and then we will start with $5,000 deposit. So I will tell you what is the maximum lot size you can use for 5,000. Okay, maximum, which means you're not supposed to use more than that in your $5,000 account. So I will tell you what is your upper limit, and minimum you can use anything you want. Okay, so, when they say there's a market rule that you are not supposed to risk more than 2% of your capital amount in one trade, well, this is for your own safety. So, for example, let's say you start with $1,000, okay? Uh, 2% of $1,000 is going to be like $20. So if you risk $20 in one trade, I think that's just waste of time, fooling yourself, because in $20 you make nothing. You're not here to do trading for $1 or $2 profit, right? If you just want to make $1 or $2 profit, then this is not for you. So I understand why they say that you only risk 2%, because they want you to be safe. But this 2% is only meaningful when you are trading with, let's say, $50,000 or $100,000 account. Okay, not everybody can afford that, right? Unless you get some prop firm. I don't really recommend prop firms using EA. The reason being is I don't trust prop firms until unless you are into manual trading. Okay, so I do have a prop firm which I recommend for manual traders. For example, you go below my video and it says check out best prop firm and brokers. Click on this link and then go and check them out. Okay, the problem is with the prop firms, the one I'm recommending, they will pay you. They are trusted and number one pay prop firm for the payouts. I trust them, but other prop firms I don't trust them for withdrawals. Okay, that's problem number one, that you can't trust every prop firm for withdrawals. Okay, sometimes you will lose the money. They will not give you the money. Okay, second major problem is their rules are so fucking stupid that you can't really trade as per their rules. Okay, every time you do something, you will break one of their rules and your account will be wiped out or you will be banned. Okay, so technically I don't really support prop firms until unless you are a pro trader and you just buy a challenge and then you do manual trading and then you make it work. Okay, but when it comes to EA, in EA actually prop firms don't give you the high leverage. For example, this EA which I am talking about, this TubeFX EA, this is only gonna work if you are using the trading account with a leverage of 1:500 minimum. Okay, and you will come and see this video and you will understand why I'm saying all this. So you have to watch this video by coming to this page, the first link below the video. Now, if you can't go ahead and get the this prop firm account for $50,000 or $25,000, then what do? Well, in that case, you can't follow that theory of 2% risk per trade, because that's bullshit. Okay, because if you only have $2,000, you're not gonna risk only 40%, $40. If you risk only $40, what do you make? Nothing. Okay, so you're not here to waste your time. Now, if you, let's say, start with $2,000 and you go aggressive high lot size manual trading, it is very much possible to turn 2,000 into 4,000. If you do high risk trading with high lot size, within a week you can double the money. That's what pro manual traders do. It's not a rocket science. If I want, I can go aggressive with my trade setup. If I know, if I know that this trade setup is clean and this is going to give me profits, if I'm sure about that into manual trading, then I do that. I go aggressive and I turn 2,000 or 10,000 into 20,000 within a month, within a week. I can do that. Okay, but we are talking about automated trading, this expert advisor robot. Okay, in this case, we're not gonna go and do high risk, because if you do high risk, we'll blow up the account. That's what happens with the EAs. Okay, but this EA has been tested rigorously for 5 years with aggressive lot size. So my EA has survived on multiple pairs using high aggressive lot size for 5 years, which is a long time, mate. Okay. So if it can survive with aggressive lot size for 5 years, it can easily survive with least lot size, which I will tell you in the, if you go and buy this, I'll tell you in the setup process that what should be your lot size according to your capital deposit amount. Okay. So yes, this is your video. If you want to get the EA for any account, $1,000 account, 2,000, it's not the money which you invest, it's the settings of the EA which you have to adjust according to your deposit money. Okay, so whether you start with 2,000, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, you will have to adjust the lot size accordingly. Similarly, when you are into profits, let's say you start with 2,000, then your balance becomes 5,000. So when you started with 2,000, your lot size was something different. Now you are at 5,000, so at 5,000 your lot size will increase. Okay, so you can come back to me and ask me these questions every time you need help with your lot size. So once you go and buy this EA from me. Okay, so I think it's been 11 minutes already, so let's cut this now. If you want to get the best EA for Euro USD, for GBP CAD, for other pairs, go and check out this video. Come to this come below the video, click on the first link below, and then come to the website, watch this video, and then decide for yourself what you're gonna do. Join Telegram if you want, and then check out the brokers and platform right here. Subscribe, like, share the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.